Today we're showing you how to use your bouquet to create a Christmas tree topper. We'll be creating a design just like this one here. Bouquet is the perfect surface for creating a topper for your Christmas tree. It allows you to either spruce up your existing topper or create something entirely new. You can add a wide variety of textures and colors to match any style. And Bouquet makes it so easy to symmetrically cascade ribbon down the tree.
The best way to start creating a Christmas tree topper with Bouquet is to gather an assortment of ribbons. Make sure to include 3 to 4 different types of ribbon in a variety of sizes and materials. You'll also want to have pipe cleaners, ribbon scissors, decorative picks,
and a tree topper if desired. Now that you've gotten your ribbon together, it's time to start making your bows. We're going to be making bows with between 6 to 8 loops each. Now each of those loops should be approximately 5 inches in overall length. We're using pipe cleaner because it's the easiest way to complete your bow. They're also the perfect length to attach to your bouquet. When you start adding your bows, it's important to remember to keep the handle side up. Alright, we're going to hold back on a few of these bows and we're going to save them to tuck into the underside to hide any knots or other mechanisms that we don't want to show.
To add intrigue and dimension, we're going to add several holiday picks throughout the bouquet.
Now it's time to add cascading ribbons to your bouquet. We're going to do this again with the pipe cleaners, and we're going to fasten them this time to the underside in one of the exterior holes. In our situation, we're going to want one at, say, 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Now, if you'll remember, we set aside some extra bows. That was to hide the mechanics underneath our bouquet. So all you want to do here is tuck them in, and then it covers all of that and creates a nice edge when you place it on top of your Christmas tree. So now that we've attached our cascading ribbon, we've hidden our mechanics, the last thing we have to do is crown our bouquet, and you can do that with a star or an angel, whatever your family chooses. You can even just put an extra large bow on the top. The only thing left to do now is enjoy it.